The internet is buzzing with leaks about the DJI Osmo Action 6. Were they the real deal or just clever fakes? In this video, we're diving deep into the rumors, breaking down what looks legit and what might just be hype. If you're into action cams or DJI gear, you won't want to miss this. Although the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro hasn't been on shelf for long, it's already made a significant impact, outperforming the GoPro Hero 13 in several key areas. Still, GoPro holds its ground with features that appeal to loyal users. Now, new whispers in the tech community are pointing toward DJI's next move, the Osmo Action 6. The buzz began when a potential FCC registration surfaced, first highlighted by the Federation of Independent Photographers via Weibo, one of China's most popular social media platforms. Could DJI really be prepping a successor this soon? It seems plausible. Both Quadro News and Rabbi Mamri has reported that filings submitted to the U.S. Federal Communications Commission reference a DJI Osmo Action 6, noticeably lacking the Pro label. That small detail could indicate plans for a multi-tiered product line, possibly a base model alongside a Pro version. Though DJI has yet to make any public statement, FCC filings are often one of the first signs that a new product is nearing completion. The timing is particularly striking. With the Action 5 Pro launching just a few months ago in mid-September, DJI appears to be accelerating its development cycle. Regulatory documents typically surface just ahead of an official release, and with additional documentation from Switzerland's SGS authority dated late October, a Q1 2025 launch seems increasingly likely. While the filings stop short of providing full technical specs, they do offer some notable clues. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which should result in more stable wireless performance. Perhaps most intriguing is the mention of two distinct battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. The latter matches the battery used in the Action 5 Pro, while the smaller capacity could point to a more affordable variant, perhaps a non-pro model aimed at casual users. All signs suggest DJI is gearing up to broaden its action camera lineup and respond aggressively to growing competition. Whether the Osmo Action 6 will redefine the category or simply build on an already solid foundation remains to be seen. But for fans of high-performance, compact cameras, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year. The potential launch of two versions of the Osmo Action 6 could signal a strategic shift for DJI, one that not only expands its appeal across different user segments, but also reinforces its competitive stance against GoPro's long-dominant Hero lineup. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro has been well received for its sleek form factor, creative flexibility, and robust feature set, the reality is that innovation in the action camera space moves fast. DJI knows it can't afford to rest on a single successful release. A dual model release, possibly a standard and a Pro version, would allow DJI to address both casual content creators and professional users who require top-tier performance in demanding environments. For those shooting in harsh weather, underwater, or at high speeds, enhancements in image resolution, low-light sensitivity, processing efficiency, and battery endurance are not just desirable, they're essential. The Osmo Action 5 Pro earned praise for punching above its weight class, matching or even exceeding the performance of GoPro's Hero 13 Black in key areas. That alone is a major milestone for DJI in a market historically dominated by GoPro. But in order to sustain this upward momentum, the Osmo Action 6 will need to bring more than incremental improvements. Whether DJI introduces advanced stabilization systems, higher frame rate support, or even AI-assisted shooting modes remains to be seen. But expectations are high, and rightfully so. DJI has positioned itself as a tech innovator across multiple categories, from drones to handheld gimbals, and its entry into the action camera arena has been no different. Ultimately, what makes the Osmo Action 6 particularly exciting is not just what it might offer, but what it represents. DJI's continued evolution as a serious contender in yet another competitive field. If they manage to deliver meaningful upgrades once again, the Osmo Action 6 could redefine what creators expect from compact, adventure-ready cameras, whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time filmmaker.